At the launch of the Gravite MPV stage in Udaipur, Nissan Motor India showcased a new type of retrofit CNG kit with two vertically stacked CNG kits at the price of 82,999. It has a unique solution that can accommodate 7 occupants with two CNG cylinders in the sub 4 meter length constraint. Nissan has launched a government-approved twin-cylinder CNG retro kit, which is installed at the dealership level. The introductory price is 82,999. It's the first ever example of a twin-cylinder implementation in the first 4-meter segment while retaining 7-seater compatibility. This government-approved kit will be available in 60 cities in 16 states and UTs. This CNG kit is developed and quality assured by Motors and comes with 3-year 100,000 kilometer warranty on kit parts. Unlike traditional twin-cylinder factory-fitted CNG setup, Nissan solution contains two 25-liter CNG tanks vertically stacked on top of each other in the boot area. This allows all 3 rows of seating to be functional up to 7 occupants. Nissan did not reveal the mileage figure, but a attribute includes a sequential BS 6.2 compliant CNG kit and ICAT approved system, 8.1 cylinder thickness for enhanced durability. The system features fuel filling point under the fuel lid, clean factory finish integration with well-designed component brake brackets, and optimized rear seat layout. The president, Mr. Subhash, said that after the positive reception of the customers for the Magnite CNG, we are delighted to launch the first twin-cylinder solution for the segment with the all-new Gravite. It is designed for customers who need practicality, flexibility, and the comfort of a 7-seater MPV.